Okay, crypto maniacs.
Assemble.
Anyways, my name is Jeff aka Nomad Fury. Happy weekend everyone. For today's video, I'm gonna discuss 5 amazing reasons that I liked about Assemble Protocol. So stay tuned. Be sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all of the information you need regarding cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and DeFi. Plus, you can check out my social media channels right here or in my YouTube description. Without further ado, let's roll! The first reason is that points can be repurposed in any way to benefit both the provider and the customer. Now, let me give you an example. To be honest, I love drinking milk tea. As I'm craving for milk tea, I am going to a kiosk or store where I could buy and drink my favorite milk tea. Based on my experience when buying milk tea, the cashier would ask me if I'm interested to enroll in their loyalty program, and I did. It's like every time I buy milk tea, I can just simply present my loyalty card and they would credit me some points, and when I've accumulated enough points that I target, I could avail a free milk tea drink of my choice. Sounds good, yes?
Yes! Yes!
However, there are some problems that needs to be addressed in the point system market. Assuming that I have accumulated points for buying milk tea but never used them for a long while, these points are expiring for good. I don't know, maybe after a few months, several months, or up to a year, these expired points cannot be redeemed and become useless. And of course, point providers like businesses are also treating them as a liability. You know why it's called a liability? Like every time you sell a product, you're recording its percentage of the point that was earned by a customer as a liability, and of course it worsens the profitability of the company in which the financial statement is affected. Haven't you realized it yet? I hope you do now. This is where Assemble Protocol comes into play. With their state-of-the-art blockchain-based point integration system, you don't need to worry about your financial losses coming from the loyalty reward system or making those expired points useless. Assemble Protocol would give better options for us by maximizing those points we've earned into a single token. Either we convert those points into token or cashing out through a simple process. And of course, the advertisers can use these points in Assemble Protocol in running their advertising campaigns. Because of this, I honestly think that it's a win-win situation between the point provider and the customer, not just on a short-term basis, but we're talking about long-term. The second reason is that Assemble Protocol's ecosystem operates on a distributed data ledger. That's right, peeps, I'm talking about blockchain technology. It provides full transparency, security, and cannot be tampered as well. Assemble Protocol knows that transparency is such a huge difference maker for both the company and users. I'm just glad that they did that to make sure that their ecosystem works in an efficient way without hiding anything from their users. This is what blockchain technology is all about, and Assemble Protocol made a great move to integrate it. The third reason is that massive adoption is strongly possible with this one-of-a-kind points integration system. The reason why massive adoption is possible in a strong way for me because of the high demand for loyalty rewards no matter what industry you're in. I can see that it's already being implemented by various industries around the world. However, as I've mentioned earlier, problems in the point system market continue to be in effect. This is why Assemble Protocol was destined to be the game changer for the point system market. It's all about educating the masses and making them aware about the beauty of Assemble Protocol's ecosystem that would enlighten them to use it for both points providers and consumers. Maybe one day when this pandemic is over, I would not hesitate in using Assemble Protocol and share this to various businesses here in the city. The fourth reason is that Assemble Protocol has so many partners on board. Of course, having reputable partners on board is an integral part of the company's success, and this is what Assemble Protocol have achieved so far. Some of the partners that are currently on board with Assemble Protocol are no other than CoinOne, Oracle, Star1.com, OneChain, YW Mobile, AKG Ventures, Coinstar Capital, HyperDAO, and Blockchain Ventures. With all of these strong partners that I've currently mentioned, I certainly believe that Assemble Protocol isn't going anywhere. And finally, the fifth reason is that the team and advisors behind Assembled Protocol are doing whatever it takes to make this project a huge success. Of course, I could say that with their solid team that has combined years of experience in this industry, I have no doubt or second thoughts that they are on the right track and having a bright future ahead. And of course, kudos to the advisors as well for helping the Assembled Protocol team whenever they can to make this project a long-term success. All I can say to the entire team and advisors of Assembled Protocol, great job guys! At least I've shared to you about the 5 amazing reasons that I honestly liked about Assembled Protocol. I honestly like their concept and features, and also their roadmap looks promising to me. Clearly, this is one of the projects that I'm looking forward for them to grow in many years to come. If you have any questions, clarifications, opinion, or feedback about this video, I'm inviting you to leave down a comment right here on my video. Thank you so much for watching! I hope you've learned something from me today. If you need more information, just simply go to their website to learn more about their concept, features, advantages, benefits, and future plans, and don't forget to read their white paper as well. For more videos regarding cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and DeFi, just simply click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And not only that, you can also follow my official social media channels right here or in the description below of this video. Okay, so from my freaking home studio, this is Jeff aka Nomad Fury, and see you guys on my next video.